Let me see here. So yeah, you can filter the values here. Oh yeah, the automatic split is maybe interesting for all those who work with data. For example, we see here our order ID, which is already a concatenation of the state in which or to which it's being sold, the year is being sold, and a unique identifier at the end of the string for the specific order. Now imagine that the information contained in this column is useful for you, and then when going to Tableau Desktop, you want to do analysis on it. There is this nice feature in Tableau Prep, which allows you to just split it. What is splitting? Those of you working with Excel, doing data to columns, you specify a delimiter, and then it will split over a few columns. So if you have a concatenated column, or in this case, the order ID, which is a concatenation of multiple values, you can put them separate in respectively 3 columns in this case. If you select automatic split, let me zoom in, then Tableau Prep will do its best to identifying the delimiter. But if it's a comma, a dot, an asterisk, a backward slash, for example, you can select custom split and define how you want to do the split. But for now, we will go with automatic split. I'm going to click on it. There we go. Let me put them next to each other. So I'm going to drag order ID in front. Where did it go? Oh, here it is. I'm going to drag it in front. So the first part, the notion whether, I said state, but actually it's country, so it's both Canada and the US, nicely parsed into a column. So I'm going to call this country. It already exists. Let me call it location. Then secondly, we see that the order ID has nicely parsed out the year. Be careful. Some people don't like the fact that it's being formatted with a dot here. The reason for that is that Tableau still sees it as a measure. So if you really want to have these year numbers as a string, you can click on it and set it to string like this. And then, of course, the order ID, can stay order ID. And I'm going to call it order ID key.